Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf gychwyn ar fy ngyrfa. Wyt ti rhwng 16 ac 17 mlwydd oed, wedi gadael ysgol, yn ddiwaith, falle bydd hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith i ti. Mae'n wych. Pwrpas y cwrs cyfan o hyfforddiaeth mewn adeiladu yw i dy helpu i ddysgu sgiliau rwy ti ei angen i lwyddo. Mae'r darparwyr hyfforddiant wedi sefydlu safle adeiladu go iawn lle gellir dysgu pob agwedd o'r grefft adeiladu.
I do the construction course every different days. I do plastering, bricklaying, and I do carpentry. Mostly I do plastering and bricklaying. I didn't know any skill whatsoever before I came here, so everything I know now is because of this college they taught me.
I was a hairdresser at first, and then I moved to construction because I didn't find hairdressing was the one for me. I've learned loads, how to do joints, how to do a wall, how to plaster a wall.
Bydde ti'n dysgu llawer ar y cwrs, rwy ti'n dysgu yn y swydd, a bydd pobl yn ymddiried yn y ti ac yn rhoi'r cyfrifoldeb i ti weithio ar dy ben dy hun a gyda myrfyrwyr eraill i wneud y gwaith. Mae'r tiwtoriad yna bob amser i dy helpu wrth gwrs, ond y le di yw i gweithio mwyn lwyddo.
There's no exams or tests at all, just your qualification. You've got your own portfolio, you just make your way through there. The tutors mark how good your work is. It's up to them then to give you what qualification is, like award, certificate or diploma.
The tutors are really nice to people, and if you just look stuck, they'll help you and they'll tell you what to do. In school, I didn't learn anything. I just didn't listen, didn't knuckle down.
Mae hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith os y ti wedi gadael ysgol heb gwybod beth i'w wneud. Bydd yn rhoi amser i ti brofi gwahanol sgiliau ac yn agor drysau ti. Sdim ots os y ti eisiau parhau i ddysgu, symud ymlaen i'r coleg ar ôl hyfforddiaeth, gwneud prentisiaeth neu ganfod swydd.
20 years time I see myself running my own business, employing employees and then teaching them to be trained carpenters and joiners.
I'd love to be able to work for myself because I don't have to worry about anybody and I'm my own boss.
I'm enjoying it and I make loads of friends. Because it's interesting, I find it good fun and I like working hard. Construction is amazing. It's changed my life so much.
Felly, os hoffet ti symud ymlaen fel y bobl ifanc ma, rwy ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud, mynd ar gwrs hyfforddiaeth. Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf ystyried hyfforddiaeth mewn adeiladu.